All right, a quick short update. I took the breather hose and the needle from that engine. I put it on here. Now it doesn't leak fuel or leak oil from the breather area. It's fixed all the way. One thing I did learn besides that was that other engine actually had an air filter that was slimmer. So the air filter itself is slimmer. So that bolt was shorter. So my air filter wouldn't fit and screw down. But they're only pressed in, so I was able to, knock it out, knock the other one out, put the longer bolt in, and then I was able to use this cover. Because this cover has where the breather goes from the bottom to the breather, not the side to the breather like the other one. So I just wanted to note that. Something to keep in mind. So here's the one. It would have been pressed into right about here. See how much shorter that is? So that's just something else I learned. So now it's 100%. Just wanted to cover that. It won't be part 9. We'll just keep it as a short. All right, later.